Choosing to train as an airline pilot is a bit like planning a long-distance flight. It takes careful preparation, stamina, and a clear idea of where you're heading. It's a job that comes with some remarkable moments, from flying through towering clouds to touching down in cities you might never have visited otherwise. But there are also serious hurdles, both practical and personal, that are worth knowing about before you commit. Drawing on advice from experienced pilots, here are 10 things to think about if you're considering this high-flying career. 1. The money side of things. The cost of training is steep. In the UK, becoming a commercial pilot will usually set you back somewhere between £90,000 and £120,000. Top schools like L3 Harris charge around £100,000 for their integrated ATPL courses, and that's before you factor in extras like housing, which can add another £15,000 or more. Many trainee pilots take out large loans or work in part-time roles such as flight instructing to keep going. As one pilot put it, plan your finances as carefully as you would a flight path. It's not a decision to take lightly, especially if you're funding it yourself. Second, meeting the medical standards. Aviation doesn't cut corners when it comes to health. You'll need to pass a Class 1 medical with the UK Civil Aviation Authority. That means your vision, corrected or not, needs to be spot on, your heart needs to be in good shape, and your mental health matters too. This certificate has to be renewed every year, and certain conditions like colour blindness or diabetes can be a deal breaker. Think of your health like an aircraft's engines. If it's not running properly, the journey won't go far. 3. What training actually involves. Learning to fly isn't just about handling a plane, it's a mix of classroom theory, flight hours, and lots of exams. You'll need to earn a private pilot license, then move on to an instrument rating, and finally a commercial pilot license. If you're starting from scratch, expect around 16 to 18 months of full-time training. It's intense, but rewarding. Pilot Pascal KLR recalls, "Don't rush, enjoy small moments, like flight school, which can be one of the best times of your life. It's not just about building skills, but building yourself too." 4. You'll be tested constantly. Even after you're qualified, you'll face regular checks. Every 6 months there are simulator assessments. Every year there's a type rating test to make sure you're up to date. It's a bit like being a musician who never stops practicing. As Pascal KLR puts it, get used to being tested. Staying sharp is just part of the job. There's always something new to learn or an old skill to refresh. 5. Learning the aircraft inside out. Pilots need to understand how their aircraft works, not just how to fly it, but how to react when things go wrong. That means knowing about hydraulic systems, navigation tools, and what to do in situations like a bird strike or instrument failure. As pilot and author Carleen Petit says, be aware of redundant systems to handle emergencies. It's like a chef knowing every part of their kitchen. You can't deliver a good result if you don't know where everything is or what it does. 6. Staying cool under pressure. The flight deck isn't the place to panic. From bad weather to technical problems, pilots are trained to stay calm and make quick, rational decisions. Petit recommends learning how to manage your fight or flight response. A calm head can make all the difference. Think of a pilot like a ship's captain steering through a storm. Confidence, not emotion, keeps everyone safe. 7. The work-life trade-off. Being a pilot often means giving up a typical routine. Monthly rosters usually offer just 3 preferred days off, and you don't find out your schedule for the next month until the end of the current one. As KLR explains, schedules are set by the 27th of the current month for the next month. That makes birthdays, holidays, and family events tricky to plan. The lifestyle demands flexibility, not just from you, but from the people around you. On the flip side, there are chances to explore new cities and enjoy time with your crew during layovers. 8. The long days. Long-haul pilots can work up to 14 or 15 hours in one go. It's physically and mentally tiring. What gets many pilots through it is the scenery. A sunrise over the Atlantic or watching the world turn golden at 35,000 feet. As Pascal puts it, focus on marvelous moments like sunrises to cope. These little windows of wonder make the tough shifts feel worthwhile. 9. Your crew makes the difference. A good flight crew can turn a demanding trip into something memorable. A difficult one can make it a slog. The destination is not always key to a great layover. The crew matters more, says Kliller. Like any team job, trust and chemistry make a big difference. It's a bit like playing in a band. You don't have to be best mates, but you do need to work in sync. 10. Progress takes patience. Climbing the ranks to captain isn't instant. Your route, military or civilian, will shape how fast you progress. For younger people, joining through the military might speed things up. For career changers in their 30s or older, it can be a slower climb. One veteran pilot says plainly, "Military pilot pipeline recommended for kids, not for 30-somethings." Becoming a captain is like reaching a mountain summit. It takes time, effort, and endurance. But the view is worth it. If you're serious about flying, the road ahead isn't easy, but it is full of unique rewards. As Pascal puts it, love the job, not the airline, for long-term satisfaction. These insights won't answer every question, but they should give you a clearer picture of what to expect before you go wheels up.